Starbucks Legani people, and I'm waiting on Soai, which for some reason is late. Okay, yeah, so I'm basically waiting on Soai at Starbucks for us to do a video. I'll tell you guys more about the video in this video, but I want to say good afternoon and everybody, peace and love, and I love you guys and all that. But yeah, may I wait, I'm bored. I'm bored. So this is me kind of making a boredom video outside of Starbucks. With all my pimples, my makeup look good. Yeah, waiting. Now I'm finally inside, and you guys know I would stay outside because I ate buying stuff by myself. To DP, if you're watching this, I said, why was on the change? Anyway, so say hi, Soai.
Yeah, I'm 18 minutes late. She almost roast my feet. I'm normally not late.
I was going to say don't tell, but thank you very much. At least you're honest.
Yeah,
right, so we're going to try some of these stuff. I don't know some of the doing that, so we're going to like out of my elements, like out of my neighbor outside. Alright. So what do you want to try, Soai?
I don't normally like the food person. I like the stuff person.
I'm not an outdoor eating food person unless I'm 100% comfortable with you guys. So you know, try the first time you saw I'm not comfortable, so you know I'm not going to eat anything. And people are like, every time I eat stuff? True. So we're going to try juices then.
I go in for coffee. Alright.
And these are the Starbucks person, but you know, everybody try it, so never try it. It's a Wendy's person. Alright, sure. Oh, take a cup. I'm new to this virgin. I'm a Starbucks virgin. Okay. Oh, so you can keep us in the trumpet. You can keep on around. Alright. So, them have something right here. So I do Starbucks already, so you're new to it. Come sit down and vlog. Anyway, so them have something right here, so some sweets.
Guys, I've been to Starbucks before, but I don't know about Starbucks connoisseur. Now come here just to like make a coffee, but I don't know nothing about them.
Alright, me don't know nothing worse, so that's everything is something. So yes, something. Alright. I'm gonna go to juice then. I'm gonna drink coffee. I'm gonna look at things. So, alright, so what you gonna do? So I need to open it up in the audio.
If you like hot coffee, then it's hot.
I like no coffee.
You don't like no coffee? Then get juice.
Alright, so for real now. I like healthy things, and so far I said strawberry so healthy, mango so healthy. No, I like tea, I like a morning time. I shake tea 1 minute time. Starbucks I get bad review from me. Come on, no candy, they put all of them. You can't eat, come on, no stuff. Alright. I want to say lemonade. I want to so nice. I want to get lemonade.
I thought I was a harsh critic, but yo.
No, I'm not hard critic. I thought I'm easy to protect, you know?
I got to be very straightforward.
Right.
They're very straightforward.
Easy to flavor. But so down to a place where it's not in our element, and it's my first time coming to Starbucks. And even when we're overseas, I never get to go. So,
You see, overseas, but you make noodle soup. I'm like, why do you make
because we can't cook, and DP will like cook for me. Thank you. Oh, never mind. The man in my Starbucks at. So I kind of have it now. Alright. Hello, cutie. Alright, I want to try the iced lemonade tea thingy. Iced lemonade tea something. I want to try that.
So the black tea, the green tea and passion tea, which one?
Black tea, what?
Green tea and passion tea.
So it's not really lemonade, it's real tea?
It comes with lemonade. There are 3 types of teas. You got the black tea, the green tea, and the passion tea. So it depends on which type of tea you want.
Alright, well, I like black tea.
Black tea is nice.
Huh?
You won't like that tea.
I wouldn't like it. Oh, I'm afraid to move that. I would like the passion. Alright, I'm gonna like the passion one. It's so nice, sounds sexy.
What's next?
Oh, I will try 400. It's going on back, so I'm going to put it past the plan. Hey, I'm sorry about the cute. That's all I can say.
Yeah.
Yes, Malcolm, tell me again.
Alright, so when you go online, you're going to do the customer survey.
Yeah?
And this is your customer code number.
That is you?
No, that's your customer code.
Oh, me the customer, yes.
So you don't have any expiration date or receipt, so you can go to any Starbucks in Jamaica with it. When you get the code, you put it on the line right here. Any card, which of your choice. except for promotional beverages. It's okay?
Yeah, that'll be it. Sorry.
Okay, 850.
Yes, because Soai come late. Practice that entire joke to tell him the boy me people. And now I can't tell him joke. I'm still telling him no. And you right here the joke?
Yes, go ahead.
Tell him your real name first.
Your real name is Steve.
No, not this one name. The YouTuber name.
Soai, S-O-A-I.
No, there's I think stuck on the island all these things come to.
It's done for stuck on an island.
Okay, guess what we call it? So, because in Chinese to me, it's a Chinese. Some money. Let's get up. I don't know if you guys are going to hear me, but I'm going to try to be loud. You heard them loud already. Let me tell you what we're drinking first. So I start already.
I'll try to look back to see what I'm having. Yeah. It's an ultra caramel frappuccino.
And I am drinking some passion thingy. Passion tea, lemonade, something. That's what I am drinking. Yes, I'm a Starbucks virgin. Alright.
How does it feel?
Oh, it tastes nice. It tastes like sweetie. Alright, yeah, it tastes like sweetie. Starbucks get, well, we don't like the long line. We're not supposed to sit down. Start with 3.5 stars.
Out of how much?
Out of the 5 star, how it do?
Yeah, but I don't know. I never rate it was 10.
Oh no.
3.5, 10.
3.5, what you get it?
I mean, they're consistent, so I give them a 9.
What's up with it?
They're consistent, like this is what it tastes the exact same in the US. Most persons when they travel, they want to see like the whole people networking and laptops and stuff. That's what you see. So it's kind of like, alright, cool.
May I get them 3.5? I can't hear myself at all. And people me talk low. So 3.5. So I give them a 9. So I'm so generous, isn't he? Alright, I'm gonna generous them with it. So, alright, yes, I'm gonna talk about Starbucks. We're gonna food people. Here's coffee. Anyway, today we're gonna talk about a topic: why most men or Jamaican men think women are property. And since Soai is my guest, I'm gonna let him go first. Soai, go first. Give me a topic.
I don't think women are, well for me, I can't speak for all Jamaican men, but I don't think we consider women as property.
What do you consider women as?
It's my partner. Like a woman is my partner in crime. You know, everything I am doing, she is, you know, alongside me. And so on. I mean, it might seem like we think that women are property because of bad ones. People always remember bad apples.
That's true.
I mean, if you have a whole drum of 50 apples and one is bad, people don't go, oh, the other 49 are great. They just talk about just that bad one.
People, I thought, alright, I didn't know Soai was very intelligent, so I'm starting off that first. I thought he was going to give me typical Jamaican guy theory, but so far I'm starting out very good, and me don't chat, and I'm surprised. Alright, so my people have been home for a while. I can see me now want to make my everything, and I'm about to change my, well, I'm changing my bottom. I'm about to change my top and go to my bed, but I want to let you guys know that why you guys don't see the topic in this first version is because I'm gonna do 2 versions. The vlog was very long, me trying to edit it, so I decided I'm just gonna cut it in 2 and I'll do the topic on a different day. But I want to say shout out to Soai, he are stuck on the island vlogs for today, and thank you for doing the discussion with me. All that, I'll see you guys on the next vlog, and bye.